Welcome to this video on Windows Performance Optimization 101. In this video, we will discuss a few essential tips and strategies that you can use to optimize the performance of your Windows computer. The first tip we will discuss is to remove any unused or unwanted programs from your computer. These programs may be using unnecessary system resources and could be causing your computer to slow down. Use the Windows control panel to remove these programs. The next tip is to declutter your desktop. Remove any files or shortcuts from your desktop that you do not use frequently. Having too many icons on your desktop could slow down your computer's performance. Disk Cleanup and Disk Defragmenter are two built-in Windows utilities that can help optimize your computer's performance. Use Disk Cleanup to remove unnecessary files and Disk Defragmenter to rearrange files on your hard drive for faster access. Adjusting the visual effects settings can also improve your computer's performance. Go to the System Properties menu and select Adjust for Best Performance to disable all visual effects or choose Custom to select which effects to keep. Finally, disabling programs that automatically start when you turn on your computer can also improve performance. Use the Task Manager to manage startup programs and disable any unnecessary ones.